So the math is, from the following particulars prepare a receipts and payment account of Prabhuji Club for the year ended 31st March 2013। यहाँ पर दिखा रहा है कि ओपनिंग बैलेंस कैश में है 2000 रुपीज, बैंक में है 3500 रुपीज। सब्सक्रिप्शन रिसीव किया है हम लोगों ने 2011 और 12 के लिए रुपीज 5300, for 12 and 13 rupees 38,000, and for 13 and 14 के लिए rupees 1,500। लाइफ मेंबरशिप फीस rupees 6,500, डोनेशन rupees 4,800, receipt for football tournament rupees 18,700, tournament expenses rupees 17,900, wages for cleaning playground 650, investment 6,000, salary paid by check 2000, and furniture purchase 8000। अभी मैथ में फोकस किया जाए। यहाँ पर रिसिप्ट और पेमेंट के लिए हमारे पास एक प्रोफॉर्मा होती है। इस प्रोफॉर्मा को अगर हम ड्रॉ करूं तो कुछ इस तरह दिखती है। यहाँ पर होती है रिसिप्ट्स, यहाँ पर होती है पेमेंट्स। डेबिट साइड is for receipts and credit side is for payment. In this column we can write amount. Now it is showing that the opening balance of cash rupees 2000 and the opening balance of bank rupees 3500. We have to write it down here. Opening balance cash, it is showing 2000, which I wrote down in inner column, and the bank is showing 3500. Now if I do the total, then we can see the total amount is 5500. Now first we have to write down the receipt sides of this arm. Receipt sides mean the subscription amount and the donation amount, and also the life membership amount, which is our income or which I received from others or various organization for this club only. First we have to write down the subscription amount, which is showing for 2011 and 12 rupees 5300, for 2012 and 13 rupees 38,000, and 2013 and 14 rupees 1,500. Receipts and payment maintain that we have to receive all the amount for the previous year and also for the upcoming years also. So here we have to mention that all the receipts, we don't need to discuss about whether it is come from, what is the part of this payment, or is this payment is for next year or is for previous year. We have to show that we are receiving all the transaction in the receipt side. Subscription, sorry for the ink condition, actually I think it is running out. For 2011 and 12 rupees 5300, for 2012 and 13 it is showing 38,000, and for 2013 and 14 it is 1,500. So the total will be, let me open the calculator over here. $5,300 plus 38,000 plus 1,500. It is showing 44,800. Let's write it down here. Now the next condition is showing that the club received life membership fees for rupees 6,500. It is also a receipt for the club. We have to write it down here. Rupees 6,500. And the donation is showing 4,800. 4,800. Now we can see another entry of receipt which is showing that receipt for football tournament rupees 18,700. 18,700. Let's see, is there any receipts entry? Now the another quad is showing the tournament expenses, wages, salary, and furniture purchase. All are these are expenses, so we do not have to write it down for the receipt part. We have completed the receipt and now the time for payment. At first we have to write down the tournament expenses, which is the expenses for the club. Here we also maintain the expenses like previous receipt part. The tournament expenses is 17,900. 17,900. Wages for rupees 650. Investment rupees 6,000. And salary paid by check rupees 2,000. Rupees 2,000. And furniture purchased rupees 8,000. रुपीज 8,000. अब सबको टोटल करके देखती हूँ टोटल कैसे हुआ है. This side, the receipt side, the total amount will be 5500 plus 44800 plus 6,500 plus 4,800 plus 18,700. It is showing the total amount is 80,300. We have to check it that the receipt side is bigger or the payment side is bigger. After that we have to write it down here. I have checked it that the receipt side total amount is 80,300. Let's total the payment side. The payment side is 70,900 plus 650 plus 6,000 plus 2,000 plus 8,000. It is showing that the total side is 34,550. So the bigger side is receipt side. तो इसलिए इस 80,300 को दोनों तरफ ही लिखना पड़ेगा पहले. उसके बाद इस टोटल फिगर से पेमेंट को अगर हम लोग एक्सक्लूड किया जाए तो 80,300 माइनस 45,700 750 is our closing balance. In this balance we can find it out the cash and bank also, if the information is given properly. So in this sum we can't find out the cash and bank balance because there is no information about this particular situation. So we have to maintain that the cash and bank is the total figure equal to this figure. So we can write it out here also, the closing balance. So friends, in this next sum we can find it out that from the following particulars of a college, prepare a receipt and payment account for the year ended 31st March 2013. It is showing the opening balance 11,000, tuition fees 1,60,000, admission fees 20,500, grant in aid 2 lakh, donation for building 3 lakh, scholarship received 2 lakh, book grant 22,000, salary paid 1,25,000, books purchased for library rupees 65,000, furniture purchased 1,30,000, expenses for building 1,80,000, printing and stationery 16,000, sports expenses 9,000, price 5,500, investment 2 lakh, information which is showing that salary outstanding is rupees 12,000. Outstanding means we have to pay depreciation furniture at the rate of 15%. Actually it is showing that we have to depreciate the furniture value with 15% and accrued interest on investment 5,000. We are receiving interest over investment. We are receiving an interest over investment which is rupees 5,000. So write it down here. The opening balance is 11,000. 11,000. Tuition fees, which is a receipt entry. Tuition fees. Tuition fees is rupees 1,60,000. Admission fees. Tuition fees are received because it is a college. For college, the tuition fees obviously are receipt entry. Also, the admission fees is same. Admission fees 20,500. Grant in aid. Grant in aid mean grant means a fund which a college or non-profit organization receive for their development from another organization or another corporate sector. It is a grant. Grant in aid 2 lakh. Donation for building 3 lakh. Scholarship received 20,000. 20,000. Book grant. Grant for book 22,000. Here the expenses entries are salary paid. Salary is rupees 1,25,000. Book purchase for library rupees 65,000. Books purchase rupees 65,000. Furniture purchased rupees 1,30,000. And the expenses for building rupees 1,80,000. Expenses for building rupees 1,80,000. Printing stationery, rupees 16,000. Sports expenses, rupees 9,000. It is a expenses entry, so we have to write it down in the payment side. Price, rupees 5,500. Every college organize a sports. For that they purchase some prizes for the students, and the prizes cost is a payment entry for the organization or the college. Here also an investment rupees 2 lakh. Now the information are showing that salary outstanding is rupees 12,000, depreciation of furniture at the rate of 15%, and accrued interest on investment 5,000. These all are not acceptable in receipt payment because this is not a cash item. These are non-cash item. I mean, salary outstanding means we have to pay the salary, but we did not pay it till now. So we did not expect any amount from the business or from the organization. So it is a non-cash item. So we do not need to write it down here. The entries are complete. Now the part of calculation, let's total it. If we total the receipt side, then the 11,000 plus 1,60,000 plus 20,500 plus 2 lakh plus 3 lakh plus 20,000 plus 22,000. It is showing 733,500. 733,500. Let's see what is the total of the payment side. The salary amount is 1,25,000. 65,000 is book purchase amount, and the furniture cost rupees 1,30,000. Expenses for building 1,80,000, and printing and stationery 16,000. Sports expenses 9,000. Price rupees 5,500, and investment rupees 2 lakh. It is showing rupees 730,500. So the receipt side is greater than the payment side. So we have to write it the figure of 7,33,500 also in the payment side, and the figure of the balance, I mean 7,33,500 minus 7,30,500. The figure is 3,000. It is the closing balance, rupees 3,000. In this sum, there is no information about the closing balance, whether it is cash figure or it is bank figure. So the total figure is total closing balance. I hope you guys are understood that the receipt payment process for a non-profit organization. To like and subscribe my channel for more videos and more informative commerce related videos. Thank you.